This guy walked and 9. Great start to the whitetail deer season. That's the heater. Let's see what Lauren's getting. Come on, beautiful Gouda cheese melting down on that. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Alright, y'all, welcome back. And just like that, here we go. Today on Bravo Unlimited, I have some beautiful, colossal Gulf shrimp. Check those bad boys out. See there? I have already deveined these. You have 7 of these beauties right here. I'm gonna make a beautiful Texas Gulf shrimp appetizer using the whole body, shell, head on, everything. It's gonna go right into this pan right here. We got about 3 garlic cloves chopped up, 5 dragon chilies chopped up right there. I have about a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter right there. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, let's get that thing popping. Some butter right here for our butter sauce. Oh yeah. Right here, we have our grapeseed oil. Get a good neutral flavor, light flavor grapeseed oil. We can mix in with that Kerrygold butter. Just gonna add a little bit to this. Perfect, that's it. Just want enough to coat that skillet just like that. Oh yeah. We're gonna let all that heat up. So I decided today, it's my day off, that I wanted to make a beautiful appetizer. Excuse me. I was gonna do this for lunch, but I said, you know what? Let me go on ahead and shoot this video for this. I haven't done anything with these beautiful Gulf shrimp out here yet. I butterflied them one day on the grill, but I wanted to do this. One of my favorite ways to prepare a nice Thai style appetizer. These shrimp out here, beautiful, these Gulf shrimp. Look at those bad boys. We're gonna take those. We're gonna take that. We're gonna put it right in there. It's a day off, y'all. Cheers to you guys. All right, and just like that, here we go. Just going ahead straight in. Bomb. Oh yeah. Beautiful garlic. Chilies right in there. Oh yeah. It is nothing. Heat just below 5. Oh yeah. Just y'all over here to smell this. Oh yeah. This thing smells gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right. A little sea salt. A little Mediterranean sea salt. Boom. Look at that fresh cracked black pepper. Imagine all these smells you were here coming together. The garlic, the beautiful Thai chilies, Mediterranean sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper. Oh yeah. And right here, straight in. Yes, just like that. Just like that. Good views. Look at those beauties. Oh yeah. Those bad boys just heating up. And that beautiful garlic, Thai chilies. Oh man. It's a perfect appetizer. Takes just a few minutes to bring together. You guys are seeing it here first. Just go on ahead. Let's turn on this back burner. Boom. Got that thing popping. Turn that on a low heat. Get that butter going. Keep an eye on this here. You take a little lemon. There it is, got half a lemon. Juice of half a lemon is going to go into that butter. It comes together pretty fast. You don't want to overdo it with the shrimp. Don't overdo it at all. You let that magic happen. Where's my sous chef, Callie? Come here, Callie girl. My sous chef right there came to help me out. Oh, there's my other sous chef, Journey. Hey, sweet babies. Yes. Yes, we got the sweet babies here. Always come and help me out. That's right, that's right. All right, let's see what we got, you little cuties. They smell this stuff and they come running. Ooh, Lord. Looking beautiful, looking good, just like it should. Okay. Perfect, perfect. And a little more sea salt right over the top of those. And more of that fresh cracked black pepper. Let's see. Oh yeah. Coming together beautifully. That magic happen. Let that magic happen. Some of that beautiful oil and garlic and Thai chilies over the top of that. Yes. Get it all coming together. Oh yeah. That is looking gorgeous. Alright, let's go on ahead and get us a flip. Just comes together quick. Right over here. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yes. Now see those beauties? Oh yeah. Coming right together. This is a beautiful appetizer. Only takes 5 or 6 minutes or so. Once it hits the pan, get all that other stuff chopped up. Boom. That butter coming together right there. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Take your lemon. Over there. Strainer. Right in. I like to do it while it's heating up, not just at the end, because that lemon will reduce the temperature of that butter. And I like to keep it right in that little Le Creuset cast iron, little perfect little baby butter skillet. That baby butter skillet, because I can just put it on a hot pad, and if that butter gets too cold, I can just put it right back on the burner. Boom. Get back in that. Right back there. Oh yeah. Come back over here. Oh my goodness. Look at those bad boys coming together. Those things are gorgeous. In just another minute or so, just another minute, you see that beautiful color? That's what we're looking for. What you doing, pal? Came back here to check it out, baby? Good, sweet girl. They smell those smells, they got enough. Reduce that butter temperature down to a low. Okay. And a little swirl. And it's coming together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. The Le Creuset, the normal skillets, the non-stick, the normal cast iron. Oh Lord, beautiful. And just like that. Let's go on ahead and get this thing plated up. We are right here. We are. There we go. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at that color. Oh yes, look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that color, y'all. Now that one right there over the top. Oh yes, all that beautiful, beautiful roasted garlic, and Thai chilies right over the top. Don't waste none of that, I promise you. You don't want to waste none of that. All those little bits crisp up, and they are delicious. It is. Shut that down. Come right over here with our butter. just like that, y'all. There's your beautiful colossal Gulf shrimp, fresh garlic, Thai chilies, oil and butter, the butter with the lemon. This is a beautiful appetizer for anybody to get the dinner started, to get that night popping. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Until next time, I'm Chef Bravo. Cook something good for the family. We'll see y'all soon. All right, y'all. Let's get a little taste test on here. See that beautiful bad boy right there? Let's see this. That thing like that. Mmm. 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 That bad boy like that. Just like that. Beautiful. Dip that thing. Mmm. 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 That bad boy right in that butter. Get in there good. Oh yeah. Mmm. I love that so much. It's so tasty, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm going to tear this apart. We'll see y'all soon.